Kwenye taarifa za michezo, na bingwa wa rekodi ya wanawake katika mbio za marathon za London, Jepchirchir analenga mashindano ya Olimpiki ya mbio za Paris mwaka 2024 na anaelezea safari yake ya uzazi, juhudi za kumlea mwanawe huku akijiandaa kama mwanariadha.
Working hard the way I work hard now. And nowadays, even when I'm in church, I'm respectful and I'm feeling that I'm like a woman. Before, when they say women to stand up, I used to fear I'm in which category. But now I'm afraid, I'm comfortable, I'm happy, I'm a mom. I feel good, yeah. And everything changed, yeah. My life, my lifestyle, everything. Respectful. I've came to be respected. Yeah. It has been good, though there's some challenges, but it has been good. When Natalia was young, it was difficult a little bit because sometimes, you understand kids, maybe she was sick. You don't know where she's feeling pain, And sometimes it was difficult for me to go because I went races when Natalia was 1 year, 2 months. So it became difficult for me. I was uncomfortable traveling with my daughter Natalia. So, and sometimes when you travel, you start to remember how she's doing at home. If she is healthy, she's happy.
Na Mkenya Zayana Virani hatoshiriki robo fainali ya mashindano ya kombe la